Welcome to Live from the Camper. Today I'm going to be making my special Pico de Gallo. And let me tell you, it's some good stuff. Goes on tacos, pork carnitas, chimichangas, burritos. It's good on anything, even just as a dip. Just sit there and chow down on it. So you ready? Let's get cooking. But we're not cooking, so let's get chopping. To make my homemade Pico de Gallo, get some Roma tomatoes, a jalapeño, an onion, fresh cilantro, salt and pepper, lime juice that used to be fresh, and the secret ingredient, red wine vinegar. Don't say ooh, it's good. Wait till you try it. Everyone likes it. First thing you want to do is chop up your onion. Now let's chop up those tomatoes. Next thing you want to do is chop up the cilantro. Now it's time to add some heat. We're going to use one fresh jalapeno. You can either chop it all up and put it in there with the seeds and the membrane for some serious heat, or you can cut it open, de-seed it, take the membrane out, cut it up. Flavor, not so hot, deliciousness. Now add some pepper, salt, as much as you like. I'm not measuring because it's never going to be enough, ever. We'll try it and add, and try it and add. Now we're going to add the secret ingredient, red wine vinegar. Woo-wee! Does that make it taste good? All right, you see that? Get rid of it. Just gets in the way. I'm going to pour about half a cup in there. And I know I'll adjust it and add more later, but that's where we're going to start. Then hit it with a little fresh lime juice. Bam! Emerald. And now we're going to mix it up. Now, my favorite part of it all, grab a chip and time for a taste test. And just as I thought, we need more salt. And just like we thought, we added more red wine vinegar, so we added about a cup of red wine vinegar, a bunch of salt, add a little fresh lime juice. Give that a quick mix. And now we're gonna try it. Nailed it! So there it is. There's the finished product. Tony's Pico de Gallo. And this one goes out to Mystery. He says they want to see me take a bite and react to the deliciousness. So let's try it. Goosebumps. So good. Fresh vegetables, cilantro, little heat, the lime juice, and of course that red wine vinegar gives it tons of twang. So good. We'll go for another bite.
Saved me some.
Yes. Put that on your jalapenos hot. Damn. You could take this Pico de Gallo, put it on the pork carnitas that I made in one of my earlier videos. That would taste delicious. And tonight on the salsa verde chicken chimis, yeah, it's about to get real up in here. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good. Let's eat. And there it is. That's one. Let me do it 2 more times. Let me just get it out of the way. Boom! Put that on your jalapenos hot. You can put that on your pork carnitas that I made today in other videos. Should I caption this? Should I caption it so you can read my... Oh, let me take another bite. That's what the problem is. Yeah, that jalapeno was hot. You could take this Pico de Gallo, put it on the pork carnitas that I made in one of my earlier videos. That would taste delicious. And tonight, on the pork carnitas, I'm not making that again. So I got one question for you. Are you ready to eat? What do I say after that? I forgot.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry? Okay. No shortage of outtakes in this. Oh, I'm saying bye.